In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a review on Whop. Whether you want to highlight a great experience or offer helpful suggestions, a clear, honest review makes a big difference for other buyers and for the creators you support. Here's how to do it from start to finish. Make sure you're signed into your account so you can access your memberships. First, head to your memberships area. On the left sidebar, look for the section labeled Joined. This is where Whop groups everything you've purchased. Click the product or community you want to review to open its membership page. If you have several memberships, take a moment to confirm you've opened the correct one so your feedback appears in the right place. Next, open the membership menu. Near the community name, you'll see a small drop-down arrow. Click that arrow to reveal more options for this membership. This menu is where Whop keeps actions related to your purchase, and it's exactly where you'll find the review option. Quick note while we're here. For easy access, there's a direct link to the Whop website at the very top of the description. And if you prefer using the app, you'll also find the download link right there at the top. Now, choose Leave a Review from the drop-down. This opens the review panel where you'll share your experience. In the review panel, begin by selecting a star rating from 1 to 5. Use 5 stars for an excellent experience, and fewer stars if things didn't meet expectations. Then write your feedback. Be specific about what you liked, what could be improved, and any results you achieved. It helps to include how long you've used the product or community and what you used it for, so readers have context. Mention standout features, the quality of support, reliability, and value. If something didn't work well, describe what happened and what would make it better. Keep it constructive and honest. Avoid personal or sensitive information, and aim for clear, concise sentences. Before you submit, read it once more to make sure it's accurate and easy to understand. When you're satisfied, click Submit. Your review will appear on the product's page and help others make informed decisions while giving the creator actionable feedback. If it doesn't show up immediately, give it a moment and refresh the page. That's it. You've successfully left a review on Whop. Thoughtful, balanced feedback strengthens the entire marketplace, so thanks for taking the time to share your experience. For quick access, don't forget the links at the top of the description. Thanks for watching.